to transfer money from Cash App to debit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to transfer your money from your Cash App to your debit card. So first of all you have to do is just open your Cash App account, and after that just click on the profile icon from the top right and just scroll down and click on link banks and just click on link debit card. And here you have to link your debit card to your Cash App account in order to transfer the money between the both. So just enter your card number and other details like the expiration date and CVC code and your zip code as well. And once you're done entering the details, just click on link card. And once you're done linking your card, just come back to your home screen and click on the banking icon from the bottom. And here you will see these options like add cash and cash out. All you have to do is just enter the amount, and above that you will see the cash balance that you have in your Cash App account. So in order to transfer the money, you should have some balance in your Cash App account. As you can see that I don't have any balance in my account right now. So once you have the balance, just click on cash out, and on the next page you have to mention the amount of the funds that you want to withdraw or transfer in your debit card. And once you are done that, just click on transfer and your money will be transferred from your Cash App account to your debit card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.